Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can freeze like the character and change the background of it. So I'm just going to freeze frame it here. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. So go to cutout and select auto cutout. I'm just going to place it on the second layer. Then I'm also going to add in a stroke as well. Maybe this one. Then I'm just going to add in a bunch of backgrounds and just change it. Like so. Making sure you adjust the background to your video. Don't know why I didn't do that. But that's basically it. You can add in some animations if you'd like to, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!